Why does a compass needle get deflected when brought near a bar magnet? Because a compass is a small magnet. When a bar magnet is brought near the compass needle, it deflects because of the interaction between the poles. Unlike poles attract each other, whereas like poles repel. Like poles repel, unlike poles attract each other. You have learned to prepare an electromagnet. Let us recall. When an iron nail wound by a copper wire is brought near iron filings, it attracts iron filings. Now, the iron nail is said to be magnetized. This is called an electromagnet. Now, disconnect the battery. Students, observe the iron nail. It is losing its magnetic property. It is a temporary magnet. It is an electromagnet. Look at one more activity. Take a compass needle. Hold a current carrying wire parallel to the compass needle. Look at the needle. It is in the north-south direction. Now hold the wire. Observe the needle. Is it deflects? Yes. The magnetic needle deflects. Now, change the direction of the current. The needle deflects in the opposite direction. This deflection is because of the influence of electric current. Because of electric current, the magnetic needle shows deflections. Let us learn one more definition. Imagine that you are holding a current carrying straight conductor in your right hand such that the thumb points towards the direction of current. Then your fingers will wrap around the conductor in the direction of the field lines of the magnetic field. This is given by Maxwell. So it is called Maxwell's right hand thumb rule. Students, when you learn this definition, hold your pencil in your right hand. The pencil is the straight conductor. Your fingers wrap around the pencil. They show the direction of magnetic field lines. Thumb shows the direction of current. The fingers shows the direction of magnetic field or field lines. Learn this definition. Magnetic field due to a current through a circular loop. You can see a circular loop in the figure. Look at the magnetic field lines. Students, look at the field lines. Look at their shape. Students, observe the figure. The magnetic field appearing as straight lines at the center of the loop. At the center of the loop, the magnetic field lines appear as straight. The magnetic field lines appear as straight lines at the center of the loop. Students, look at the coil. A coil of many circular turns of insulated copper wire wrapped closely in the shape of a cylinder is called solenoid. What is a solenoid? You can see the diagram of field lines of the magnetic field around a current carrying solenoid. In this figure, observe the figure. The field lines inside the solenoid are in the form of parallel straight lines. Inside the solenoid, the field lines are parallel straight lines. This indicates that the magnetic field is the same at all points inside the solenoid. That is, the field is uniform inside the solenoid. Students, learn the definition of solenoid. What is a solenoid? And the magnetic field lines inside the solenoid, they are parallel. Students, read the lesson. page number 117, page number 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 123. Students, page number 120, activity 13.5 is your home assignment. Thank you, students.